Tomatoes are a staple in every kitchen, but hardly will you hear anyone extolling its cosmetic benefits. Whether you want to cure large pores or reduce acne and rashes or soothe a nasty sunburn or simply to revive the glow on dull skin, tomatoes are beneficial in many homemade beauty treatments. Not only do tomatoes taste great, but they also keep the skin healthy. It is necessary to consume tomatoes as they have lycopene, which is an antioxidant and hence works as a sunscreen from within. These antioxidants make tomato an anti-aging product as they help in fighting cellular damage and reddening of the skin. It is recommended to have at least 16 mg of lycopene per day as they reduce the number of free radicals in the body and also help to retain the moisture in people who are used to sitting in air-conditioned environs. You don't need to spend your hard-earned money on expensive cosmetic treatments if you follow these simple steps to get healthy-looking skin. Big pores. Shrink them. Big pores provide easy access to dirt and grime, thus increasing the chances of infecting the pore. Take a tablespoon of fresh tomato juice. Add 2 to 4 drops of fresh lime juice to this. Use a cotton ball to apply this mixture on your face. Massage it in circular motions. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash off with cool water. Regular application will shrink pores greatly. Acne healing. The acidity in tomatoes helps in reducing and clearing up your acne. Vitamin A and vitamin C are commonly found in a lot of acne medicines, and tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. If you have mild acne, cut a tomato in half and apply the inside on your face. For severe acne, mash a fresh tomato and use the pulp as a pack on the face. Leave it on for an hour. Rinse it off and moisturize. Do this on a regular basis or as many times as you can. Your acne is bound to dry off soon. Astringent. If you have oily skin and struggle to keep your face from shining like a fried papad, tomato is the solution to your agony. Crush a fresh tomato and strain it. Make a little cucumber juice and add it to the tomato juice. Apply this juice with a cotton ball daily to control excessive oiliness and acne. Good to eat, great to clean. A tomato and avocado mask works wonders on combination skin. This is because tomato works as an astringent as well as a blackhead and oil reducing agent, while avocados have an antiseptic and moisturizing effect. A pack of mashed tomatoes and avocados help in soothing and cleansing combination skin, oily and dry, as they are rich in vitamin A, C and E. Apply this pack and wash off after 20 to 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Burns no more. Summer is fast approaching, and with harsh summer comes burnt, inflamed skin. A lot of people's skin gets sunburnt, raw, and itchy due to exposure to the sun. Crush half a tomato and mix it with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply this concoction on the face, neck, hands, and feet. Wash it off after 20 minutes. Tomato cools the skin and neutralizes the surface, while yogurt gives it a much-needed protein boost while leaving it soft and supple. Glowing skin. Mix honey with tomato juice until you get a thick paste. Apply this mixture and wash off after 15 minutes for smooth and glowing skin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the channel.